Okay, so hello, this is Erin O'Neill, and I'm talking through quiz 2, problems 1 through 4. So, what is the period of this wave? We can find the period by multiplying the time given by 2, because the time gives it moving through the distance, the time of this distance through the peak. So since that's half of a full wave, so that's half the period. So multiply 2.75 seconds by 2 to get 5.5 seconds in one period. Then the amplitude is basically it's the maximum distance away from the center point. So we have D. It says that it's the distance of the peak is 0.32 meters. So since that's measuring from the bottom, we have to divide that by 2. Since that's like this, I guess this where the x-axis would go. So 0.32 meters divided by 2 is 0.16 meters. And then finding the frequency, you just take 1 over the period. And doing that, we get 0.18 hertz. And then the speed of the wave is the velocity, which is frequency times lambda. And so we were given the wavelength, which is 6.25 meters, and we just solved for the frequency, so multiplying those together, we get 1.125 meters per second. Ta-da!